Hey everyone! Welcome to QuickLearn, the place where we turn complex concepts into snackable nuggets of wisdom. If you're eager to level up your skills, but only have a few minutes to spare, you're in the right spot. We're all about quick, impactful lessons that pack a punch. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Today, we're tackling the wild and wonderful world of analyzing and measuring the effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity of administrative and technical programs. Sounds like a snooze fest? Fear not. We're making it fun and easy to grasp. To navigate this journey, we've got a trusty acronym to guide us. EFFICACY. That's EFFICACY. Remember it, love it, use it. Let's break it down. E for evaluate. First things first, you need to figure out what success looks like for your program. Think of it like setting the destination on your GPS before you start driving. What are the specific goals? How will you measure success? For example, if you're checking out a new software, your goals might be faster processing speeds and happier users. Track these with metrics like how quickly tasks are done and user satisfaction scores. If you're not clear on your goals, it's like trying to win a race without knowing where the finish line is. F for focus. Next, zero in on key performance indicators, KPIs, that truly reflect success. Don't get tangled up in a web of too many metrics. Think of KPIs as the VIPs of data, those key players that tell you the real story. For instance, if you're evaluating a training program, focus on test scores and retention rates rather than obsessing over every little detail of the training content. Remember, 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Go for the gold, not the glitter. F for feedback. Now, get both quantitative data, like survey results, and qualitative data, like personal feedback. It's like mixing your favorite soda with a splash of something exotic. Combining these gives you a fuller flavor. If a tech support system has tons of users, but low satisfaction scores, digging into personal feedback can uncover why people aren't thrilled. Maybe it's not the tech, but the way it's being used. I for identify. Pinpoint any gaps or issues that might be dragging your program down. Look for the moments where your objectives aren't lining up with reality. For example, if a new tool isn't being used much, ask why. Is it a training issue? A usability problem? Or maybe it's as exciting as a soggy sandwich. C for compare. Compare your current data with benchmarks or past performance to see if you're making headway. It's like checking your progress in a video game. Are you leveling up or stuck on the same level? Use industry standards or previous data as your reference points. If your productivity software isn't hitting the marks, check how it stacks up against similar tools or past versions. A for analyze. Dive deep into the data to uncover trends, causes, and connections. Use statistical methods for your number crunching and thematic analysis for your feedback. For quantitative data, regression analysis can help you understand relationships between variables. For qualitative data, look for recurring themes. It's like being a detective in the world of data. Solve the mystery of what's working and what's not. C for communicate. Share your findings with style. Use charts and graphs for the numbers and craft clear summaries for the qualitative insights. Your goal is to make your findings as clear as a sunny day. Tailor your communication to your audience, whether they are data geeks or tech newbies. Make it engaging and easy to understand. Y for yield. Finally, focus on the actionable insights. What steps should you take next? Draft a clear action plan based on your analysis. If your data shows that a process is a flop, outline how to fix it and set some deadlines. It's like getting the recipe right after tasting the dish. Make those changes and serve up something better. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're evaluating a new project management software for your company. Evaluate. Define success as faster project completion times and happier users. Focus. Choose KPIs like average completion time and user satisfaction ratings. Feedback. Gather data from usage reports and user interviews. Identify. Notice that the software is used a lot, but project times aren't improving and user satisfaction is low. Compare. Check the current performance against pre-implementation data and industry standards. Analyze. Discover that users find some features confusing, impacting their satisfaction. Communicate. Create a report with charts and a summary of feedback, plus actionable recommendations. Yield. Recommend targeted training and adjustments to the software based on your findings. In this example, Efficacy helped you navigate the analysis of the software step by step. Each letter guided you through evaluating, focusing, gathering feedback, identifying issues, comparing, analyzing, communicating, and yielding actionable results. For those of you craving more knowledge, check out these must-read books. Measuring Performance: A Practical Approach by David Parmenter. This book is like having a performance measurement cheat sheet. Qualitative Research Methods for the Social Sciences by Bruce L. Berg and Howard Leune. Think of this as your guide to decoding the mysteries of qualitative research. Statistics for Business and Economics by Paul Ubold, William L. Miller, and Ronald G. Thorne. This book is your toolkit for mastering statistics. And as we wrap up, here's a quote to ponder. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. W. Edwards Deming. So go ahead and apply these principles to make your programs more effective, efficient, and productive. Thanks for joining me on this quick dive into data greatness. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to QuickLearn, and drop a comment on what you want to master next.